A common way to log into Apporto is through a learning management system such as Canvas, Blackboard, or Brightspace. Today, I'm going to show you how to log in via Canvas. First, I've opened a browser and entered the URL to my Canvas instance. Then, I've entered my email and password, and I just hit the Login button. When I'm logged in, I see a dashboard with all of my courses. Today, I'm going to work on Math 101. When I click into my course in Canvas, there are two places where my faculty may have added the Apporto link. The first is in the left side menu. The other is directly embedded within the course content. In either case, I just click on the Apporto link and I'm prompted to load Apporto in a new window. And what happens is I'm automatically logged into Apporto, and based on my coursework and permissions, I see a set of desktops and applications that I have permission to. I can also see any announcements that may be relevant to me, access the user guide support request form, and information about Apporto, such as the version, cloud platform, and storage. In this case, I see that I have 15 gigabytes of storage for all of my homework files. To get started working, all I need to do is hit the launch button for the desktop or application that I need, and when it opens, I can go ahead and start my work.